Guys, today I'm going to show you how to dualboot Android and Windows 10 or Windows XP. I'm going to try it in Windows XP. Try it what do you wish. I'm going to try it in Windows XP. Windows XP is starting. Wait a minute. I signed in. Now you need to come in, install Phoenix OS installer. Install this in Phoenix OS's real website. Run it. Run it and click install. Next, choose best option. Click install and wait it for installing. Okay, you need to wait until it is finished. You need to wait like 10 minutes or 5 minutes. You can wait, I think. Click OK. Come over there and click on sorry. Just reboot your computer. I'm going to do it in VMware tools. Yes, it is started. I'm going to choose the operating system which I want. Okay, Play Store method. This Android installing. What the heck? It's going to open. Yes, look, choose Phoenix OS. Just wait for it. It needs to start. Guys, sorry, my recording is just broken. I cut my recording and I passed my recording. Now our Phoenix OS is installed. Choose English, United States. Click next. Click on accept. Click next. My name is Jasmine. Will you come over there? It works easy. You can search apps. Also, you can search Google or Play Store. If you come to Play Store, click on sign in. And if you want to install VMware tools, I'm going to search it. Wait. Click on reinstall VMware tools at VMware Player. Play Store. Open Play Store, click sign in. Click on disable. I'm going to enter my email. I'm going to censor it. I'm going to censor my password too because it shows. Click on yes, I'm in. Click on I agree. Click on accept. And when you come to your Play Store, you can install any app you want. You can install Zoom. Click on install Zoom or which app you want. Waiting for download, and you can install WhatsApp Messenger. You can install Snapchat too. It's Android, Instagram, and where that's it. You can install Excel. Look, Zoom is installing. Installation medium, and you can't install VMware tools, but you can do it full screen. If you did full screen, you can see all of the screen. I'm going to auto full screen. I'm waiting for installing. Phoenix OS is a good Android program. I'm going to install Excel and also PowerPoint too. You can use it like a phone in a computer, Android phone. You can install iOS too, not with Phoenix OS, but yeah, it's good. I'm going to Play Store. Yeah, here my Zoom. Where's my Zoom? Yeah, my Zoom is here. I need to open my Zoom. I wish it opens. Click continue to use because Zoom needs to use camera, you know. And click on join a meeting. And that's it. You can use Phoenix OS. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.